Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. To all my returning residents, thank you so much for keep supporting me. And to those of you who are first tuning in, I hope you enjoy your stay and smash that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be, as you can see from the title below and the fragrance in front of me, a unboxing and first impression on a fragrance from the house of Lattafa again. This one is called Mughal Fort. Yo, I have not done any form of review, or should I say, I haven't looked at any videos in terms of this fragrance. I think I saw one video several months ago, which was from Cubanos, where he unboxed and did his first impression on this one. But honestly, guys, I don't remember how this smells. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to give you my impression on this fragrance. But what I must tell you is that the presentation, based on what I'm seeing here, is immaculate. This is a 100 out of 10 from Lattafa again. So if you are interested in content like this, keep on watching. Alright, so since you are still here, I take it that you are interested in seeing the first impression on this fragrance. But don't worry guys, I won't keep you waiting. Let's get straight into the unboxing. This is actually a loaner. My bro flew in from Florida recently, and he was like, bro, I have two fragrances I want you to unbox and give your first impression. So here it is. This is one of them. I'm going to do another video with the other fragrance as well. How he said this opens again. I think like this. Hold on. Ooh. Opens like some legs. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Whoa. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. This says niche Emarati perfumes. Lattafa. This says niche Emarati perfumes. Lattafa. Ooh. This is a different side of Lattafa. Damn, I never knew that one. So this is Mughal. What the fuck? Yo, this shit weighs about 5 or 6 pounds. Oh shit, yo, this is heavy. Yo, this shit is heavy, yo. God damn. Yo, let me get straight into the scent, because that's what you're here for. You're not here about the presentation or the weight. You just want to know if it smells good, alright? Boom, boom. Pardon my French. 1 second. Hold on, guys. I am getting something seductive, something sweet, something nutty, something spicy. Yo, I'm getting overly excited for this one. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yo, the presentation is amazing. The scent, however, the scent is to die for based on what I'm getting from the sprayer. But in terms of the first, ooh, and the distribution is beautiful. Wow, freaking hell. Alright, so what I'm getting from the opening is totally different from what I'm getting from the sprayer. The sprayer is definitely the dry down. The opening, oh, I'm getting it now. Hold on. Yo, this is beautiful. I haven't looked at the notes or anything on this one, but based on what I'm getting from this one, I can't tell if this is an inspiration of anything, but I'm telling you what I'm going to get from this one. Off the bat, I'm getting something nutty. I'm getting something classy. I'm not sure if there's cardamom in this one, but I'm getting something spicy as well. This reminds me of, I'm not sure if I'm getting clove or I'm getting some form of spice, like Jamaican spice that I'm used to in this one. I'm not sure what it is. Yo, but this one is so freaking good. And it's sweet as well. Yo, shit. Yo, this is beautiful, guys. First impression, I'm going to give this one a solid 9 out of 10. I'm not sure it dries on skin nor how it performs on the skin, but I'm telling you that based on what I'm getting on the strip here, yo, this is an instant love for me. Love. Lattafa, you've done it again. Guys, I'm not a huge Lattafa lover. I'm telling you, if you see I own a Lattafa in my collection, just know it sold me. This one right here is definitely one that I'm going to be picking up in my collection soon. Or should I say I'm going to be adding in my collection soon. Yo, this smells so freaking good. Whoa. Wow. Hold on. I need it on skin. I need this on skin. Hold on. Yo, this smells so freaking good. Whoa. Lattafa, you did it again. You did it again. Shit. Yo, peeps, if you have smelled this fragrance or if you know what this bottle represents, I think this is a monument building or something like that nature. I'm not sure. Something historical. This look like something from the Chinese dynasty. What I'm getting from this is definitely modern in quality. Yo, this is really good. Yo, I am really digging this one. I am digging this one. It's getting a 9 out of 10, which I think it can probably bump up to the 10. But I'm just going to let it sit at the 9 for now. The more I'm smelling it is the more I want to spray the fragrance on my skin. Yo, this smells so freaking good, people. Mughal Fort from Lattafa. This is from their niche Emarati perfumes. Quality fragrance. Again, Lattafa. Solid release again. 9 out of 10. If on a good day, probably get the 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie to you, honestly. But really and truly, I'm just gonna let it sit at the 9 out of 10 for now. And this is my first impression. I'm not sure how I will feel wearing the fragrance on my skin, nor the compliments it's going to garnish for me. However, I'm really, really enjoying this one. So, hear me out, guys. If you have tried this one, comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Or comment down below as well which fragrance you think I should do next. Thank you so much. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood. I am out.